turn this no makeup face to this with just 4 colors. So are you ready to go from this to this? A foundation shade, a concealer, a contour or a bronzer, and a lip and cheek color. Let's go. I'm gonna start with the contour. Now I'm going in with the concealer. And now foundation? Huh. This is 1 layer of makeup. To add some color to the face. Oh wait, I can use my contour as an eyeshadow. So are you ready to go from this to this, starting at $77? Comment the word match and I will help you find those personal colors that are just perfect for your skin tone. I'd love to help.